Happy New Year, everybody! In Japanese, 明けましておめでとうございます。I wish our 2018 be filled with happiness and great health with healthy Japanese food. Today, I will show you how to make Ozoni, the Japanese New Year rice cake soup, in two ways. The first one is clear soup, the most popular New Year soup all over Japan. The second one is White-miso soup. This is more popular in Kansai region. You will learn two basic broths using bonito, flakes, and comb cap as well. Let's get started. Cut burdock root into approximately 1 by 5 cm length rectangle slices. Soak in water to prevent from changing its color. Cut daikon radish in the same size. Use upper part of daikon radish, which we used in osechi New Year dishes. And do the same to the carrot. Trim the excess fat and skin of the chicken side. Cut into chunks. Add a sprinkle of salt and a splash of sake and toss to coat. Cut mitsuba leaves into 3 cm lengths. And the ingredients are ready. Pre-boil burdock roots for 3 minutes. Add daikon radish and carrot. Cook another 3 minutes. Drain and keep in the container. Bring water to a boil and add bonito flakes. Cook on medium heat for 8 minutes. Strain into another pot and bring it to a boil again. Add prepared chicken and cook for 3 minutes. Add prepared vegetable and cook until heated through. Season with soy sauce and salt. Ladle soup into a lacquerware soup bowl and place baked rice cake. A ladle of soup prevents from rice cake sticking to the bottom. Ladle over more soup with ingredients. Top with mitsuba leaves, ikura, and shaved yuzu peel. Put the lid on and serve immediately. Next, white miso version. Soak comb kelp in water at least 1 hour, preferably overnight. Do the same to dried shitake mushroom. Turn the heat to low and cook until barely simmering. Remove the comb cap and bring it to a boil. Add rehydrated shitake and soaking liquid and cook for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, slice daikon radish with Japanese mandarin. Do the same to the carrot. Peel off each layer of the lily bulb and wash thoroughly. Shave the dirty spot. Add chicken to the pot and cook for 3 minutes. Add daikon, carrot, and lily bulb and cook 3 minutes more. Season with white miso. Cook until dissolved. Taste and adjust the amount of miso. Ladle soup into a lacquerware bowl and place boiled rice cake. Again, this will prevent from sticking to the bottom. Ladle over more soup and topped with mizuna and yuzu. Put the lid on and serve immediately. The texture of lily bulb is like a potato. The taste is sweet and slightly bitter. When it melts in the white miso soup, it is so good. There is no other meal than New Year rice cake soup for the very first meal of the new year. So hearty, so nutritious, and so delicious. Give it a try. Thank you for watching the video. Please thumbs up and subscribe my channel not to miss more delicious Japanese dishes. If you have any questions and future video requests, let me know in the comment. Thanks again. See you in a week. Bye!